Do you think dating is harder today than it used to be?
Yes, I think so. And I also have a conclusion about AI agent. I think most of the time I always tell uh, to AI about my stuff, like something I'm curious and unhappy, why I'm not happy. I think AI can some function can replace a real boyfriend or relationship. Even age can replace psychological doctor.
Hmm, okay, that's interesting. Um, do you think dating apps are a good way to meet people?
Maybe for some people, but it's not suitable for me. I think it's very dangerous and not safe. It's the same reason about it's real for the post social media. I'm not sure, so I tend to meet some new guys from other friends recommend, and maybe meet some people in the work circle. Mm.
Okay, okay.